Welcome to the MESA Contract Builder. First, choose your contract language, contract type, and legal jurisdiction. Next, enter the song title and number of collaborators. As you answer each question, your contract auto-fills on the right, and everything there is fully editable. At this stage, you will add collaborator info. The minimum info required is name, email, split, and contribution. We will do the same thing for our second collaborator. Click the top right to open our AI assistant. You can use the knowledge base to answer any music business questions you have. You can also toggle to our AI editor to prompt and edit contract clauses. In this case, I want to add a clause about my manager's authority. If we like the clause, we can accept it, and it'll be added to the contract on the right side. We've completed our contract and can now view the unsigned version. If you're happy with your contract, you can send it to all collaborators with one click. They'll receive it by email and can sign it right there.